Dr. Varya, welcome to India Education Summit. You're one of the professors, teachers who have used blended learning as a tool, especially during the pandemic. So the first thing is, what are the digital tools that you've adopted, while using blended learning?
If the pandemic has given us an opportunity to use the technology for the purpose of education. And right from the beginning, we have been using Google Classroom and Google Meet for the purpose of education. Since our school is already using Google G Suite for education since last 3 years, and it was when the pandemic struck. Now many schools and many professors, many teachers started using Zoom and other platforms, but we were very sure that Google Classroom is a very good platform. It provides a proper virtual classroom ecosystem, and we adapted to that system. So we are using, as of now also we are using Google Classroom, we are using Google Meet for live lectures, Classroom for virtual classroom system, and all those communications that Google provides, like Google Groups or say communication in terms of Hangouts that they are using for communication with parents and students.
Besides communication, how else have you used these tools for teaching? For example, upgrading your skill sets or student skill sets?
Yeah, it wasn't so easy initially because since though we were having this basic education in our schools since last 3 years, but it wasn't so active until this pandemic struck. We got the opportunity to upgrade every teacher by this time. March 16 was the first day of the lockdown, and within 3 days or 4 days, it came to us that it is going to last long. So, after 1 week or so, we started the readiness, getting ready for virtual classroom system. So we prepared, we actually, had our computer teachers trained first for the use of Google Classroom and basic for education. And then we asked the computer teachers to share the total number of teachers among themselves. And they trained the teachers about how to use the tool. So within 1 week's time, all the teachers were on the tool, and after that, we announced the Google Classroom platform. We announced the Google Classroom for each and every grade, that is from grade 1 to grade 12, and then we shared the grades with the parents with the students. And we took one full week for allowing the students to join the classroom. We started help desk and all those things at our school end, and we helped them to join the classroom. Google was a preference because since in India most of the users are Android users, and Android users are basically having Gmail, whether they are using it or not using it, whether they are aware or unaware, they are using Gmail. So touching students on classroom was much easier, and so far as getting accustomed with the teaching methodology as a pedagogy, so we started posting only material first of all in the class. We never started with the session. We started with just announcement that okay, this is the material, and we started with basic instructions so that the students get time to analyze it, because not all the parents are having the facility of providing children with the gadgets at home. So most of the students were using gadgets of the parents as mobile phone or any of the iPad or something like that. They belong to the parents, and before the parents would go for their business or profession, we would conduct the session. So we will just post the material initially. So 1 week we did this exercise, and then slowly, gradually, we started rolling out live sessions from top to bottom. So we started with grade 10 and 12. Then we started with grade 10, two of the board classes, education board classes, and then we started with 11th and 9th and 11th. So this is how we actually started rolling out the live session. By end of March, we came to know it's going to last long, but by end of April, almost our system was set for online education.
So one last question: how did this tool actually help you to upgrade yourself and the students and remaining of the teachers, in upskilling themselves?
Brilliant. I mean, you cannot just imagine, you cannot just give a measure that, okay, out of say 100, we upgraded to 95% of it, because everything was online. So we had till that point of time, everything was manual. We had our even teachers' planning was also manual. But slowly, gradually, when we started all these concepts, every teacher was being upgraded for the use of the tool. Gmail को कैसे use करना है, फिर classroom को कैसे use करना है, Meet को कैसे use करना है. We had weekly FDP, that is faculty development sessions. Weekly we had kept, and we asked teachers to join in that particular session to upgrade. We hand-holded the teachers for a particular, say, learning where language was a barrier, because since we are using technology, most of it would come in English. So where language was a barrier, whether it was a teacher or a student or the parent, right, we did hand-holding, and we had kept camps for it. Okay, you can come to the school during these hours, and you can get, or you can talk with on phone on these hours, and we have rolled out certain helpline numbers. So using those numbers, we guided the parents, because at that time April was such a month, it was complete lockdown. So we were not even allowed to operate the offices. So all these things we did on using the remote systems, using the Meet, using Google Classroom. So upgradation is till now every Saturday we have a session with teachers. We have joined a GAG community, there is Google Educator group. I myself am leading a GEG Ahmedabad community. We were having weekly FTP sessions every Saturday from 8 to 9, where educators from all India and other part of the world also join. So there are different tools. Now, earlier our concept was to teach them how to use Classroom, how to use Gmail, how to use Google Docs, how to use Sheets, and all those basic applications. And now our training goes on other different tools, such as how to use Edpuzzle, how to use Nearpod, how to use PeerDAX, all those. So this is how we started with our April, and then we started with the journey of from September. We started with GE, and this is how we are working at this point. So pandemic has given us an opportunity to upgrade, and most of the educators, not only for our school, but for all the schools, all the educators around the world have upgraded apparently very well.
Thank you so much, Dr. Varia.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Dr. Varia. Thank you all, in fact, for being a loyal audience. It was a pleasure to have you all attend the inaugural edition of India Education Summit. And a big thank you to our sponsors, Google for Education as presenting partner, and Adobe, our co-presenter. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.